My name is Wes Boling. I'm Senior Manager of Communications for Nokian Tyres North America. I've been at the company almost 5 years, and I was fortunate enough to see this factory come up from the ground up. My role is to tell our story throughout North America, but here in Southeast Tennessee. And in both cases, it's been a really rich story to watch unfold. Nokian Tyres invented the winter tire in Finland a very long time ago. Our company dates back to the late 1800s. And here in North America, we are remaking our image and remaking our company's future by making all-season and all-weather tires that fit the needs of drivers, for instance, here in Southeast Tennessee. We've been in Ray County since 2019, broke ground on the facility 2 years prior to that. And we started with a 60-member launch team in 2019, literally from the ground up, as when they started, this was just a concrete foundation in the middle of some beautiful land in Southeast Tennessee. But by the end of 2023, we'll have 475 employees here. We'll be making around 4 million tires a year. There were really two factors that drove us to Southeast Tennessee. First, the people, and second, the partnerships. I think we all understand that Southeast Tennessee is logistically a strong area. You're within a 12-hour drive of a majority of the United States population. But when it comes to the people itself, we were given assurances that there was a workforce that was primed and ready to work for us. Southeast Tennessee has a rich tradition of manufacturing, and that's clear as we get to know our workers and familiarize ourselves with the larger workforce here in this region. There is a wide array of training available for workers to get that experience and get that expertise early in their careers. And those institutions that are in place, the public-private partnerships that are here, tremendous education system, whether it's secondary or post-secondary, TCATs, community colleges, and of course four-year institutions, they understand their mandate here, and so do businesses, to help this workforce continue to grow and to thrive. And so the proximity to Chattanooga is huge because so many of those wonderful operations in Chattanooga were the ones that were training and equipping the people who are working for us now. But also the proximity to Chattanooga means we have the opportunity to recruit factory leaders from that area. And a number of our white-collar workers drive up from Chattanooga every day, and it's no sweat for them, right? It's still an easy enough drive that they're able to make it up here. So we can find quality workers right down the street, but also leaders who live in Chattanooga. And then when we're bringing executives over from Finland or throughout North America to meet here in Dayton, Chattanooga is a wonderful place for them to convene. Lots of access via airplane, of course, and places to meet and things to do, not only in Chattanooga, but also throughout this beautiful area. And it's wonderful to be able to experience the best of both worlds of great workers throughout Ray County, but also an infrastructure set up throughout Southeast Tennessee that's benefiting our entire team.